Okay, number 22. Earlier, we observed that as the number of rubles goes up, so does the number of dollars. We also saw that as the amount of gas you buy goes up, so does the cost. Is that always the case? If the constant of variation is negative, let's say, I'll make up something. If we have y equals negative 3x, what is the effect of y if x increases? So let's just do maybe 3 values. So I would have negative 3, negative 6, negative 9. It looks like y decreases as x increases. And that happens if your constant of variation is negative. All right, in question 23 through 25, decide if the graph illustrates a situation where y varies directly as x and explain your reasoning. First of all, it would have to be a line. Well, all 3 of these are lines. But secondly, it would have to go through the origin. So I can see right away that 24, because it does not go through the origin, is not a y varies directly as x situation. But 23 and 25 are. 23, it looks like our constant of variation is positive, and 25, it looks like our constant of variation, again, which is k, is negative.